Hello everyone. Travelers Aid International has decided that the various airport volunteer web pages should have the same look and feel and be posted on the same server. Our previous TradeTalk.com volunteer web page has expired and we will not be updating it. Our new website replacing TradeTalk will be travelersaid.org/Dulles. This new page has all of the links and more that our former page had, but the display is different. So let's take a tour of the new page. This page is called the public page. Each of the tabs can be selected using the arrows. Anyone can access this to help them navigate Washington Dulles and find Travelers Aid assistance. Now to the private page. To get to your volunteer dashboard, please scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the link that says Volunteers. You are now on the dashboard. From this dashboard, you are able to access all of the previous TradeTalk links to assist your passengers. To the right, you will see the familiar graph detailing all of the different airlines at Dulles, their code shares, the baggage claims they normally use, and the gates. Let's look at the left side. The first few links should be very familiar. We have an information to your Volgistics login. You still use the same username and password for this. We have links to internal phone numbers, and of course our information manual. We've included the hotels and lounges as separate documents that you can access quickly here at the top. Please note that some links will open new tabs, and to return to the dashboard, you will have to close them. Other links will open on top of the page, such as the phone numbers, and you will have to use the back button to return home. The rest of the drop-down menus are in alphabetical order. Let's click on Flight Information. This opens the useful links for plane tracking. Scroll down and click on the page for Dulles arrivals and departures. When you are done viewing that page, go to the top of the page and close the tab. The other headers include the familiar information you used before, such as ground transportation, maps, and tourism information. To open one of these headers, you click on the title and a full list of links will appear. To close the list, click the header again. If you end up somewhere and you don't know how to return home, scroll to the very bottom of the page and click the Volunteers button. Again, sometimes you use the back arrow to return to the page, and sometimes you need to go to the top and close the tab. If you ever get lost, you can also click this icon at the very top. That will return you to the travelersaid.org/Dulles public homepage. We hope you enjoy the new webpage experience. It is available now for full use and has been added to the desktops at each information desk. We recommend taking time to learn where your favorite links are and becoming familiar with the new layout. If you have any questions or suggestions, we are here to help and eager to make this an efficient tool for assisting passengers. Thanks for your time.